In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a serpentine belt on your Subaru Forester. This is going to be located on the front of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the trim piece. Pull straight up and remove the trim piece. There is a grommet right here that drops into. Using a 14mm wrench, we're going to take the tension off of our tensioner. We're going to pull our belt off the alternator or any other pulley that you choose. Remove your wrench. Finish removing the belt. Pop it off all of the pulleys. Install the belt. We're going to start by putting this around the crank. Go around the idler. Go down around the water pump pulley. Come up and around the AC compressor. Down through the tensioner. Install the belt into place. Be sure it's riding correctly on all of the pulleys. Grab your wrench, take the tension off of your tensioner. We're going to install it around that alternator pulley for our last one. Double check that your belt is riding correctly on all of the pulleys. Install the trim piece. Make sure it drops into that grommet. Install the bolt. Snug it down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.